shit. All my hoes from Thailand. Hold up, nigga got a wild wrist.
LeBron James.
What's good with y'all, man? It's Taco No Safety, and we back with another video. If you new, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, you know how we come and we ain't wasting no time. We getting straight to it. Today gonna be a range video, and we got the Shootout Systems Xr920 with the Radian Ramjet, and the Glock 45 with the Parker Mountain Machine micro comp. The Shootout System has a Timney trigger, a full Timney trigger kit with the Holosun TLR1 HL Streamlight, and the Glock 45 has a CNH Duty close emitter with a Timney trigger shoe and the PL3 Valkyrie from Olight. And then I'm also bringing a stock Glock 19X, just so we can get the comparison as far as the recoil between each comp and the stock one that's not comp. And then I got the M&P Metal 2.0 out because it's pretty chilly out here. It's hoodie weather, so I'll be carrying a bigger EDC. I was gonna carry the Gen 3 Glock 19, but I don't know, I was feeling the metal today. So that's pretty much what's going on. We're gonna head to the range, might get some B-roll for y'all just so y'all can get some scenery in. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibes. Let's get to it.
Taking my pole now, leffing in and out. Take me anywhere, I'm taking over the trap. Bring a friend, bitch, at the same time. I'm a different nigga, no, we not the same kind. We can have that look, bitch, you ain't mine.
All right, y'all, so we at the range. Excuse this angle, I hope it's gonna work, but we gonna rock. This is what we got to work with. So the first gun we got is the Shootout Systems Xr920, basically the Glock 45 or the 19X version for Shootout System. It's got the Radian afterburner on it with the Holosun 407C TLR1 HL Streamlight with the Timney trigger. Now this is the Timney trigger kit, so it's like 2.5 pounds. I definitely don't recommend carrying 2.5 pound trigger for EDC. It's very easy to just fly through the wall. If you're a shooter that like to set to the wall, I definitely don't recommend you carrying this for EDC, but that's just me. But anyway, we're gonna get about 2 mags through it from this angle just so y'all can see the recoil. Then we'll do the Glock 45 and the 19X all at this angle, and then we're gonna shoot some paper with it, and then we'll come up at the end and figure out, you know, which one you keep it stock, the Radian, or if you like the Parker Mountain Machine. So Xr920 up first. We're gonna get to it, and I hope this angle work out for y'all, man. We just got to see. And we shooting steel case magazine, steel case ammo through all 3 firearms because I mean, it was 1,000 rounds for $200, so that's what I bought. Hope this angle work for y'all. Alright. So no slide lock back. I don't know why. That's 1 mag. We're gonna run this one. Shoot it slow and then we'll mag done. We'll shoot about 7 rounds slow and then we'll mag done the rest. I missed one. All right, so that was the Shootout Systems Xr920. Now we got the Glock 45, my favorite, with the Parker Mountain Machine comp and barrel combo. Got a Timney trigger shoe, not the entire kit. So as far as the pull weight and all that stuff, it's the same. All Glock internals, nothing changed, everything stock minus the trigger shoe. Then we got again the PL3 Olight on it, the Valkyrie with a CNH Duty close emitter red dot, which I love. I didn't know how I would feel about close emitter red dots until I got one, and the fact, to me, it takes a lot of the glare out of the picture when you're shooting outside and directly under the sun. It takes a lot of glare out of it, and you're able to track your red dot a lot easier. I would say that. So Glock 45 Parker Mountain Machine comp. We're gonna do it at this angle so y'all can see the recoil better. Let's get to it. not locking back because of my grip. I felt it that time. So that was the Glock 45. I hope y'all was able to get a good sense of the recoil impulse on that. Now we have the stock 19X. No comp, no ports, nothing, completely bone stock, haven't done anything to it. We're gonna check the recoil impulse on this one and let me know if y'all see a major difference between each comps and stock. Now this one here is the only one that I do EDC. I do carry this every once in a while. I just want to put that in there. I try to keep my EDC guns stock from manufacturing. If it's ported from manufacturing, that's one thing, but if I go and get it ported by a gunsmith and I alter it myself, that's another thing. So that's why I prefer stock. That one locked back. See, I don't know. That's one mag. We're gonna shoot it slow and then we're gonna mag dump. We had one, but it locked back. I must have actuated the slide. That wasn't no jam. All right, now we empty. Let's do one more with the 19X. Let's do one more mag. Try to get a good mag dump with it. Yeah, I'm pushing the slide up. I'm doing that myself. Alright, we empty. Alright, so we on paper now. I got the Xr920 first. We ain't got time to switch out papers, so I'm gonna shoot in, it's 3 different guns, so I'm gonna shoot in 3 different corners. I'm not even gonna try to shoot the X. I'm just shooting in the corners just so we can get a group. Alright. Now we got the Glock 45 with the Parker Mountain machine comp. Remember on the Xr920 was the Radian. Glock 45 Parker Mountain machine. Top right corner. Now we got the stock Glock 19X. We're gonna shoot in the bottom right corner, iron sights. Now we're gonna do one more. Bottom right.
Came off.
Yeah.
You said it wasn't enough tape. What you got, babe?
So that was the Xr920. And then this was the group for the Glock 45, and then that was the 19X. Missed something. Then I just started shooting them in the middle, just to finish off a mag. So the Radian shot a better group, but my dot is off on that Glock 45 because I was aiming up here, shooting down here. So it's still a good group. You can see it's a group right there, pretty tight. And this was me finding where to hold. The dot's definitely off about. Shoot at least 5 inches on that CNH duty. And then the 19X, that was iron sights. Really just pulling the trigger as soon as I seen the front sight hitting it. I wasn't really trying to tight group it. But that's that. You know, if you look here, you'll think tighter group, but the dot is on here, dot is off there. Kind of make your pick. I don't see much of a difference between the parking mount machine and the Radian. And even if you choose to carry stock with no comp, makes sense to me. That's what I EDC every day, is completely bone stock. As I told y'all before we left, I'm EDCing the M&P metal, completely stock. That's what I like to EDC, completely stock. But that's pretty much it. Y'all know the vibes. I appreciate y'all checking out the videos. Talking on safety. Stay alert, stay deadly, stay dangerous. And we out.